kind of characters in the future also?
You know, after the Dirty Picture, I was offered almost 10 biopics. 2 or 3 of them were of very well-known actresses. पर मैंने कहा कि अभी Dirty Picture किया है मैंने, तो थोड़े वक्त के बाद कुछ करती हूँ. Then I got an opportunity to do this, and this is not a biopic on Geeta ji, and I wouldn't even claim to have, you know, I don't know if you don't see all shades of her. You see Geeta Bali, you know, the star. You see her, me recreating her songs. So I don't think it's a biopic. But yes, I do get drawn towards real life stories, which is why the Bhagwan Dada biopic also interested me.
Hi Vidya,
this is biopic?
Ji?
Would you like to do a Geeta Bali biopic in the future?
Of course, I'd love it, but I'll have to put in a lot more work to look like her.
Vidya?
Yeah.
Hi Vidya, this
Hi.
is Urvi.
You had done earlier
Sorry.
Dirty Picture,
Yeah.
and now you're doing this biopic. Very interesting observation I got. You had neither met Smita earlier, Silk Smita, nor have you met Geeta Bali. So was it very tough to recreate these characters without even having met them even once?
No, like I said, you know, in the case of Silk Smita, I had to use my imagination. To play Geeta Bali ji, you know, I just had to watch her videos because we were creating bits from the film Albela and 2 scenes outside of that. So I've tried to imbibe some mannerisms of her in the dancing portions especially. Hi.
Vidya, were you nervous while, you know, you had to recreate the dance for, you know, 3 songs of Geeta ji? Was there anything that you...
Of course, because, you know, she played with her face, with her eyes, with her hands. Her fingers spoke so much. Most of the shots are, yeah, wrist. She used her wrists beautifully. And most of the shots are close-up. So what I realized is that there's not so much body. The body is very halka, but the hands, the eyes, the smile, all of that is what was really her charm. So I wasn't so nervous about the dance, but yes, expressions are a form of dance. So I tried to focus on that. Stanley, the choreographer, was also constantly saying, no, not Vidya Balan, Geeta Bali, Geeta Bali, Geeta Bali. So, you know, that helped. As a matter of fact, I'm going to Gateway of India where, you know, they'll be doing, I'll be doing a chat with them from Gateway of India. So I am going to be there. But this film is, I want to share a little anecdote with you all. You know, my husband Siddharth has a lot of film posters, old film posters. It's his passion, he collects. He has almost 60-70 posters. तो सब एक साथ तो नहीं लगा सकते, हम रोटेट करते रहते हैं, चेंज करते रहते हैं. पर जब से मेरी शादी हुई है, एक पोस्टर मैंने बदला नहीं है, और वो है अलबेला का. So I feel it has some. Also the fact that Bhagwan Dada is supposed to have learnt dance from Siddharth's grandfather, Sam Aaron, which is his mother's father. He was a pioneer in bringing all the Western forms of dance to India. So, you know, I think I was just meant to do this. There are things which are beyond you, and this is definitely one of them.
प्रश्न दिग्दर्शकांना आहे, तुम्ही नेमका भगवान दादावरच का बायोपिक करायचं ठरवलं? कारण ती एक शोकांतिका आहे म्हणून का?
या भगवान दादाविषयी वाचन खूप केलं होतं आधी. फिल्म इन्स्टिट्यूटला मी का शिकवतो, तिकडे बऱ्याचदा मी स्टुडंट्सना सांगायचो अबाउट भगवान दादा, हाऊ एका मिडल क्लास माणसांना कशी झेप घेतली. ऑल ऑफ सडन काय झालं, डॉक्टर मोनिश बाबरे जे प्रोड्युसर आहेत त्यांची आणि माझी ओळख झाली आणि त्यांचा सिनेमा करायचा प्लॅन चालू होता. नॉर्मल ओळख होती आणि अचानक त्यांनी असा बॉम्बच टाकला. ते म्हणाले, तुम्हाला आवडेल का हे बायोपिक करायला? मला भगवान दादाविषयी थोडंसं माहिती होतं आणि मग नंतर सुरुवात झाली. चॅलेंज होतं आणि जुळून आलं, कारण ही अपॉर्च्युनिटीज मुळात त्यांनी आणली माझ्याकडे निर्मात्यानं.
मैं विद्या जी से ही कनेक्टेड सवाल प्रोड्यूसर से पूछना चाहती हूँ. आप लोगों ने ये कैसे मान लिया कि गीता बाली और भगवान दादा सिर्फ मराठी इंडस्ट्री के लिए ही है? ये फिल्म जो भगवान दादा है वो हमारे बॉलीवुड के भी उतने ही बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं, तो इसको हिंदी में क्यों नहीं बनाया गया? क्योंकि विद्या जी भी थी और इतना अच्छी कास्टिंग और इतनी अच्छी इवन मेकिंग, इवन जो डायरेक्शन है वो भी बहुत अच्छा था, तो क्यों नहीं आप लोगों ने इसको हिंदी में बनाने का भी सोचा?
ये जर्नी जो मैंने बोला था 3 साल पहले चालू हुई थी, तो वो टाइम पे प्लान था मराठी फिल्म बनाएंगे, बिकॉज भगवान दादा इटसेल्फ इज अ महाराष्ट्रियन फर्स्ट, एंड सेकंड थिंग जर्नी के दौरान हम लोग को मालूम नहीं था विद्या जी जैसे इतने बड़े एक्टर हम लोग के पास मिलने वाले थे, एंड थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आई डोंट थिंक कि लैंग्वेज इज अ बैरियर फॉर एनी फिल्म, एनी लैंग्वेज, मराठी लैंग्वेज इज वन ऑफ द, अभी जो वाइडली पॉपुलर फिल्म चल रहे हैं, जैसे अभी जो ट्रेंड चल रहे हैं, एवरीवन इज लविंग द ट्रेंड, एंड इसमें हिंदी बहुत सा डायलॉग्स है, गानी है, सो ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द पीपल, कंट्री, रिलीजन सब देख सकते हैं फिल्म को, सो आई डोंट थिंक सो लैंग्वेज वुड बी एनी बैरियर फॉर दिस फिल्म।
संगीता, आई दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। आपने हिंदी फिल्में भी बनाई हैं और अब ये भी बना रही हैं आप, और आपका लड़का भी इससे जुड़ रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव है। इनफैक्ट जैसे मोनीश जी ने भी कहा, एंड आई थिंक मराठी इंडस्ट्री बहुत बढ़ रहा है, एंड स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ द कंटेंट। आई थिंक मराठी कंटेंट इज़ रियली लुक फॉरवर्ड टुडे, ना जस्ट कुछ भी बनाने के लिए बनाना वगैरह ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं सब जन, बहुत सच्चाई दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं, इसलिए जो कॉमन मैन है, जो मराठी कॉमन मैन है, उसके लिए बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है, आज भी उसके लिए सिनेमा ही एंटरटेनमेंट है। आई थिंक इसलिए वो जुड़ जाता है, और कोई फिल्म मैं सुनती हूँ कि कितनी बार जाके देखते, जैसे मेरे ड्राइवर भी जा के 3-4 बार जाके एक सिनेमा बहुत खुशी से देखते हैं। तो आई थिंक मराठी सिनेमा ये एक मेव एंटरटेनमेंट है मराठी माणूस के लिए।
And Vidya, one question to you, as the director said that, I mean, the Bollywood stars, actors keep saying that we will do Marathi film and blah, 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 but they have never done. You've done it. So do you think they will follow your footsteps?
I honestly don't think of anyone else but myself. I hope all the good Marathi scripts come to me. I think, you know, the yesteryear stars were probably, I don't know, we've heard a lot of stories about the yesteryear stars, a lot of such stories, which is very disheartening. But I don't think it's a phenomenon very unique to Hindi cinema or Indian cinema. It happens the world over. It's very unfortunate. But I just hope now that all of us invest well so that we're taken care of when we're, you know, probably in the later years of our lives.
Hi, Vidya.
Hello,
last,
hello.
Last
My question
for
to
Vidya.
hello, yeah.
Sorry to cut you short.
Yeah.
Last question for Vidya, ma'am, please.
My question, Geeta ji, question for you. Yeah, you're looking here and there. You're Geeta ji there. My question is to you is like, as Shekhar Tandil sir told that Bollywood actors, they say that I will love to work in Marathi movies, and you got as a guest appearance. Would you love to do a entire mainstream Marathi movie?
Absolutely. I'm looking for the right kind of script. I've been offered a few films, but for some reason they didn't work out. Either I didn't like the script or something or the other. I'm also doing a Malayalam film, a biopic on the poetess Kamala Das. I'm a greedy actor. जहाँ मुझे अच्छा रोल मिलेगा मैं जाऊंगी.
Would you love to do a Maharashtrian role? Because
Of
you'll be doing a...
Of course, पर उसके लिए मेरी मराठी बहुत सुधारनी पड़ेगी, मैं बहुत मेहनत करूंगी, क्योंकि I will not let anyone else dub for me. Thank you, because there's a compliment in there. I don't really know. I'm not a trained actor. There's no method or anything. I just read the script. I sit with the director, sometimes the writer, try to understand if there's any research that's required, or if I need to acquire some skills, I do. But beyond that, I think it's just instinct. It's probably just that. And courage comes from greed. Pure greed. I'm just a very, very greedy actor.
Vidya,
Yeah,
one
thank
last
you.
question. Vidya, there was a rift between you and Siddharth regarding Kangana. Would you like to share something about it?
Since you're telling me, there must have been, because I'm not aware.
You supported Kangana in the fight.
Anything related to this movie and... I guess that was the last question.
Yeah.
Thank you
Vidya,
very much.
Vidya, one last question here.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Monica from Bollywood Nazar.
Hi.
As you said, you have seen many Marathi movies. So, which is your favorite? And
Sorry.
Okay, which is your favorite movie? And apart from Mangesh Desai, with which actor you would like to work with?
I actually loved Katyar Kalzad Ghusli.
क्या बात है?
And I love the music, I love the performances. Subodh seems... सैराट आज देखने जा रही हूँ. अगर प्रोग्राम ठीक टाइम पे खत्म हुई तो फिर मैं सैराट देखने जा रही हूँ. Because I was outside shooting for Kahani 2. किस थिएटर में आपको नहीं बता रही हूँ. और किसके साथ भी नहीं. But thank you all very, very, very much, and all the best to all of us.
Thank you.
And thank you. Thank you. This has
Thank
been
you
a
so
wonderful afternoon. Thank you. आला रे आला, भगवान आला. क्या बात है?
Hi, this is Saurabh Gokhale, and please subscribe to Rajshri Marathi.